ECC. Today we have a good and useful topic for group discussion. That is, should group discussion still be a part of campus recruitment? Initially I want to say that campus recruiters will want the candidates like diamonds. Why? Because diamonds will be cut from 72 angles so that they will shine bright in every angle. They also want the candidates, they should not stick to the academics, but they will also be good in leadership qualities, communication skills, convincing others, and so on. So I think GD should be the part of campus recruitments.
Yeah, well, they do. A coin has two faces like that. Like the group discussion also having two both positive and negative thoughts. And positive thought means GD is used only for checking the communication skills. But if the person is having good at technical skills and somewhat he is poor in communication skills, he is selecting for that job, he is eliminating in that level. So GD should not, GD is not necessary for a campus placements.
Yes, Divya. But in my point of view, some companies who are related with foreign countries, the companies require which person have more communication skills also. So in GD we can know about the communication skills of candidate, right? So GD is very important to companies.
Yeah, I agree with Divya because GD plays a crucial role not only in our college campus recruitment but also outside. GD is all about they check how we are with how much confidence levels and how we are communicating with others, our presence of mind and our patience with others. I think so. I think in my point of view, GD is a part of campus recruitment.
Shivina, I do agree with you because in the part of the interviews, first they go to the academics and then the written and then the technical and next they go to the GD, so that the person who are good at technical will be selected first and then the people who are good at communication will be selected afterwards, so that the technical person cannot be lose his hand in GD part. So that I think the GD should be part of communication skills.
Yes, I agree with you. Technical skills are very important, but after getting into the company, we can develop our technical skills, but communication skills cannot be developed after getting into the company. In GD, they check our communication skills, leadership qualities. They couldn't be developed after getting into company. So the company needs a good leader. So GD should be a part of campus.
In my point of view, we have to down from the student abilities. We have in GD we have to check the student abilities like communication skills, how to think in logically. So I should support the GD is a part of communication campus recruitment.
So I agree with you, Monica. So as a person who is very good in even in technical skills, he should also be very good in communication skills, because as if he has a lot of knowledge, he should share with his team members. So GD is used for that only for how the person who is free to talk and share his views. So I think that GD should be a part of campus recruitment.
Yes, Ishwar, I agree with you because sharing our feelings is it's very important to face a team member in teamwork. Without sharing our views, how others will know our views. So even though he's good at technical skills, if he fails in expressing his views, the other person cannot reach his ideas, what he's thinking about. So it may lead to damage to teamwork. So one has a spirit of that means he has to free to express his views in any manner without these strangers or another person. He can communicate easily with others, so that he can be free with others, and it will be helpful for this company too. Either in a particular either in his manner or the business management also.
Yes, I agree with you because GD is one of the platforms where which evaluators can evaluate the hidden views of the for example, a group discussion is going on and some people are talking and under place some are not talking. Due to that, some can express. That's the definition of GD is to we can express our views to others to impress impress other boss or anyone else. So I agree.
I agree with you, Naveen. Why? Because these technical terms and academics are there to check the technical skills of a person, And if you want to check the communication skills and leadership qualities, GD is the main part. Why? Because a group of brains works a lot than a single brain. So we should know how to coordinate our team, how to work with our team, how to encourage others. We have to encourage others also to speak. So our body language and all, they will evaluate all these things in a GD. So I think a group discussion should be a part of campus recruitment.
Yes, I agree with you, but someone who is good at technical skills, if they cancel that time, they are unable to grab the job and they misuse the opportunity. And in some companies like technical companies, the GD, they should not conduct GD because for technical jobs they need only technical skills and they can improve communication skills by doing the job. So I think GD is not necessary for some.
Yes, sir, I want to tell that I agree with you, but as you told that some companies take technical qualification and some companies take soft skills. But actually, I want to conclude that the rounds which are having in for job intervals, HR and other technical rounds are going on for before the after that rounds we can held that group discussion because due to that two discussions HR and technical we can calculate that the person has how much skills and he can.
Charan, you said one point, right? You thought that point in one view, and my view on that point is if you have to use the opportunity. Opportunity comes only once. So in that GD, when opportunity comes to us, we have to utilize it, and we have to know the time management, and we should have an emotional balance. So we should maintain all this emotional balance. We have to use the opportunity. We should give opportunity to others, and we should allow them to speak. We should discuss all the things, and GD plays a crucial role, and it is a vital thing in our campus recruitment.
Yes, I agree with you. Because you said that a point that I very much means we have to grasp the point, we have to grasp the chance which we have come to us. Means we have to wait for the chance. We should not wait for the chance. We should make a chance to come, because if you wait for the thing, we have to wait for a long time. If you grasp the chance, it will come always. It means once you have adopted the chance of right taking, it will be always right takes. So one has to grasp this chance. So otherwise we cannot make his GD or any other rounds.
But because of group discussion, one who is very good at technical skills, they are going forward for the technical round, and one who is very good at communication, they are going to technical. One who is very good at technical skills, and very somewhat less in communication skills, they are losing the opportunity.
I got a point about the Sacharan. And then in your matter, it means that the person who is good at communication skills will go with technical round, but in some MNC companies, they will deal with foreigners. Without the communication skills, no one can deal with foreigners. So that one should have a soft skills. Without the soft skills, he cannot perform good at dealing with foreigners. So even he is lacking technical skills, somewhat lacking technical skills, one has to improve communication skills. One can improve technical skills after going to companies by learning 1 year or 2 year courses. But the communication skills, he has to work at by his manner. No one will make his stance. One has to adapt his manner, communicating with others. Otherwise, no one can make him leader.
So, Sacharan, as you told that a person who is qualified in technical, qualified in the group discussion, and who is having a big knowledge of the technical. So, as you said that a person who is having more knowledge in technical is eliminated. So, I think if a person who is selected in the communication skills GD, he can go to the company, he can be free to ask for as in GD. That is the thing what they said is if a person who is given a topic and he feel to talk to everyone. So as if he goes into the company, he can, if he don't know anything about the particular job, he can be free to ask that he don't know that thing and he can learn that. So I think GD is so important for campus recruitment.
Yeah, the actual scenario in the campus recruitment is first they will conduct a test on academics, then coming in this way, as we have short of time, cannot conclude in this 10 minutes of a group discussion. So I'll just summarize the main points of this GDR. First, the bullet points of about this topic are GD is meant to evaluate the soft skills and time management, leadership qualities and all. And there are also into points of this. The person who is good in technical skills is being eliminated, not eliminated, he is just getting out of the job because of this GD. So as there are main positive points about this GD, so I will conclude that GD should be there in campus recruitments. Thank you.
GD. Group discussion. Very interesting area, and I've seen that the other end of group discussion would also have this kind of presentation. You also have said should group discussion still be the part of campus placements? To be frank, the whole discussion did not go very well. Still, as far as discussion is concerned, I have seen few good things in you. If I have to pick for the opportunities, I may pick all of you with a very kind gesture. But you know, for each one of you, you have your own limitations. You take the whole discussion. I have seen only a couple of candidates would be fitting for the opportunity that we are looking for. I conducted GD here to check the candidates that are fitting for the roles that I have kept in my company. And I pick up only candidate 1 and candidate 8 because candidate 1 is suitable for leading a team. Candidate 8, better than a leader, he looks as if he were a role player. Whatever role that is given for this guy, it seems because of his discussion, seems that he carries out the role that has been given to him. Yes. When I come back to this topic, it is very difficult, a topic that is going to decide your opportunity. You are talking against the topic and against your opportunity. When I have taken candidate 2, this girl has taken opportunity, but she has taken opportunity for the sake of opportunity. Smiling is for the sake of smiling, laughing is for the sake of laughing, working is for the sake of working. It represents when you are participating in the discussion like that. Do you understand, my dear? Candidate 3, you are very good with your content, but you do not have a command on your emotions. It seems that you are grabbing the other's opportunities, killing the other's time, and you are not also allowing others to speak. Though you do not have that feeling within you, your performance in the group discussion tells me, shows to me. And candidate 4, I'm so sorry, I may not take you because you look very aggressive. You are soft looking, you are bright, beautiful, still. The way that you are picked up, group discussion cannot be taken as a part of placement. Still, you made it completely a statement like the other team which has said, love is poisonous. Candidate 8, you both can fall in love with each other because both of you are aggressive. Okay, sorry, it's only for fun. I have noted it. Alright, so you must not be aggressive. Alright, so you heard? Okay, thank God. Next, when we take candidate 5 and 6, both of you are like candidate 2. All the 3 of you have studied in same school. Of course, that is in our own school. You have ideas, but you have done for the sake of discussion as it is. You have content, you have mind, you have knowledge, but as if you were not given opportunity, you have spoken, just spoken for the sake of speech. Very dangerous. Alright? And then candidate 7. Fantastic approach you have. You know? You have a very good knowledge base that you have on any topic that is given. Still, you look hesitant because, yeah, you are nervous, so I may not accept you. We don't want nervous people. Okay? And then candidate 8, nothing to speak. 9 and 10. 10 has a lot of knowledge, but you were hiding your own self behind the screen. When you have knowledge, it is very typical. Candidate 3, when he wants to speak, it is said that he is having no control. Candidate 10, when you are stopping not to speak, you are known as a hider. Candidate 4, though she looks good, though she knows much, she is known as aggressive because the way that she has taken up. Hence, I feel GD is a beautiful tool still to check abilities of people. Still, later, last year, forever, GD should be the part of campus placements. Come on, class. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, sir.